Western Massachusetts was once again hit with snow this morning, bringing with it blizzard-like conditions. 22 News reporter Christina Demores caught up with residents in Springfield as cleanup efforts were underway earlier this evening.
Here we go again. Western Massachusetts residents kicking it back into gear Monday evening to clean up yet another round of snow.
A lot of shoveling. My kids are actually still doing that and trying to get our cars out of the back. But yeah, just a lot of work, but it's so pretty.
This comes just weeks after the last major storm pummeled and buried Western Massachusetts. And this time it was a blizzard blanketing the Northeast, hitting the region overnight Sunday and into Monday, bringing with it strong wind gusts and nearly a foot of snow for some communities. The blizzard dumping about 8 inches onto the city of Springfield. And while there isn't as much snow as the last storm, this snow is wetter, which makes it heavier and harder to clean up. And that's because temperatures aren't as cold. The last round of snow still on the ground, barely melted, so residents had their hands full.
It's the kind that sticks to the shovel, so every shovelful, it weighs like 10 pounds. It's not my favorite kind of snow. The last snow was much lighter.
And while Springfield residents do their part, DPW crews tell 22 News they plan to work around the clock to clean this all up and find somewhere to put all of this snow. Working for you, Christina Demores, 22 News.